Hi students, in this video we are going to learn lesson number 12 from English Grammar Step by Step book, revision first. So all the lessons revision we are going to look in this lesson. So it is most important for you, whatever in the past we had learned, and all the examples are you can get in this lesson, and it is most important to remember all the lessons. So let us going to learn about it. First, write the following words in the alphabetical order. So we had learned about it. So I have solved for all the questions answer here. You can look properly, read, learn and write in the notebook. First, here alphabetical order we have arranged. First B, C, F, H, T. We have considered first letters of these words and we have arranged it with the alphabetical order. So next one, underline the common noun in the following sentence. We want to find all the common nouns from the sentence. I have done already underline for the common noun. Just like a teacher, here is underline for that. The teacher came late. In that sentence, teacher is a common noun and we can use teacher to the gents teacher also, and ladies teacher we can say teacher only. So it is a common gender, so commonly we can use this noun as a teacher. Then next one, children and ball. So it is children also we can commonly say to boys, girls, and ball also we can use for the small, otherwise bigger one, just like a tennis ball and football, volleyball we can say only just a commonly ball. Then tiger we can say all the animals which is cats family, tiger only. Then we can say commonly all the animal, just a commonly animal, so it is a common noun. Then fourth number, books and table, those are also common noun, and here mother and doctor also common noun. The next third number, underline the proper noun in the following sentence. So there is proper noun we want to find out. I have done already underline for that. So Ganga, here January, here Christmas, Bhagavad Gita and Ravi, those are particular things, persons or places are there, those are particular, so we can say for that proper noun. So Ganga is one of the river which is present in northern plain. So there is no other Ganga river present anywhere. So it is a particular, so we can use as a proper noun. So just like that, all the proper nouns are present there. Then fourth number, underline the abstract noun in the following sentence. So pupils get good knowledge from school. So knowledge is an abstract noun because we cannot touch or it's don't have material body. It is called abstract noun. So knowledge also we cannot touch for it. It is just a knowledge we can feel or we can understand only. So that is called the abstract noun. Second number, we want to find out all the abstract noun from this: kindness, honesty, policy, cruelty, evil and bravery. Those all are noun which I have solved already for you. So same like that, words for the abstract noun you can find out from the other book and you can know about it as an abstract noun. Then fifth number, underline the collective noun in the following sentence. So collective noun we want to find out in the sentence. So bunch means we can collect some things, people, place, and it is a commonly we can say that a particular name, it is called a collective name. Means collection of some things, we can use the words, that is called a collective noun. I got sweet bunch of grapes. So bunch is a collection of grapes, so it is a collective noun. So crowd, it is also collective noun. There was big crowd in the theater. Many people are come together, that is become crowd. So collection of people is known as crowd. It is a collective noun. Swarm, all the honeybees come together at the place, it is called a swarm, and it is also collection of bees, it is collective noun. Team also, that is a many players are there in one group, that is called team, so team is collective noun. Bucket of flower, so bucket is also collective noun because of all the flowers are come together, then it is become bucket. So bucket is collective noun. Next, 6 number exercise, change the sentences into plural. So there are sentences and we want to write that singular sentence into plural sentence. So you want to use yes, yes at the end of the word and you want to make that plural sentence. A dog, here you want to write again front side that same sentence to convert these words, but I have given just a short for you. A dog convert into dogs and stranger convert into strangers. A dog's barked at the strangers, you can write front side a dog's bark at the strangers. Second number, a nurse look after the baby, so nurse convert into nurses and baby convert into babies. So that sentence we can say a nurses looked after the babies, like that. Third number, a lion eats flesh, so lions eat flesh. So here we can do one change. It is, remember, the lion is there, so it is a simple present tense. So here eats we have written. So when we are writing here lions, then we can remove that s only, so it is remain only eat here and fleshes we can use. So it is become a lions eat fleshes, like that. Fourth number, a sheep is eating grass. So we can write a sheep is a singular and plural same. R is converted into R because of it is a plural form of the sheep eating grasses, or we can say grass also as a plural form. Then fifth number, the child lost one of his teeth. So here we can use instead of child, children as a many or plural form. The children lost one of his teeth. So the children lost one of his teeth, it is become plural sentence. So next one, 7 number example, fill in the blanks. So masculine and feminine gender you want to write, which is given already. So man is given, so we want to write its feminine gender. It is a man is a masculine gender, so man's feminine is woman. Then masculine gender is a boy and feminine gender is a girl. Hunter, huntress, bull, cow, poet, poetess, like that. 8 number example, underline the subjects in the following sentences. So we want to underline for the subject here, and remaining part is a predicate which we have learned in the subject and predicate lesson. The boy is a subject, ran fast, it is a predicate. My mother is a subject, cooked tasty food is a predicate. He is a subject, it an honest boy is a predicate. Gandhiji is a subject, lived a simple life is a predicate. The stars, it is a subject, are shining in the sky, it is a predicate. So I have done all the subject here, underline. So next one, 9 number example, underline the pronouns. So you want to find out pronoun. First one, we have a beautiful house. So we is a pronoun in the sentence. So we is a pronoun. The pronoun, the word we are using instead of noun, and the word is called a pronoun. So we is a pronoun here. Then next, they are good friends. So there is also pronoun. She is also pronoun. I is also pronoun, and he is also a pronoun. Then 10 number, last exercise, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. A, an or the you want to use to write in the fill in the blanks. First one, a lotus plant grow in water. So lotus, before that we can use a lotus because of L is a consonant. So before consonant, and it is not a definite, so it is indefinite. So we can use here a before it. A lotus plant grows in water. Next one, I had an egg for breakfast. So E is a vowel, before we can use here and. People did not elect the leader. So people did not elect the leader. The is here because of there is a particular letter is there which they did not elect. So we have used here the. 4th number, a clever person cannot be cheated. So here any person is there. So here a we have used, and C is a consonant. Before consonant we have used a. And last one, the boy who stole my pen was punished. So that particular boy who stole the pen, so we have used here the before boy. So here we have used a, an and the. We have solved all the examples in the 12 number lesson. So you have to learn it properly, write in the notebook and in the book also. Thank you. Have a nice day.